Hey! Today we're gonna make a crazy thing. We're gonna put everything here. White balsamic, because we're classy. Organic mayonnaise, because we don't want to hurt the environment. And tomato puree into this, and then I'm gonna drink it. Mmm. Cram.
Yeah. Enough.
Okay. I do not know what this is. I think it's pomegranate.
Mustard.
Eat this.
Where'd you get that?
This is different. Oh god. I don't know if it's honey.
That's probably going for.
There's already tomato puree in there,
about
so probably
2.
not that much.
Okay.
No,
Yeah.
enough.
He does like his balsamic.
I do like my This is tahini. Look how it emulsifies. It's like a proper cooking show, yo.
Beautiful.
Pesto is the key ingredient. It's one of your 5 food groups.
There we go.
Smells of pesto. Show it to the people. Not gonna lie, a little scared. There's like little bits of mayonnaise on the side. Just like Bigfoot's puke.
I bet he's enjoying it.
Oh, my vomit is gonna look weird.
Water.
And that's how you make a delicious after dinner snack. That's not healthy. No, really, that's not. No, wait, 1 sec. Okay, I guess. Na aroma sus. I feel great. I think that will be a temporary feeling. Don't try this at home, kids. Don't let your friends talk you into this. I've been Josh. Jello. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Follow me in real life. Follow me on Twitter. Let me know what you want me to do next in the comments below.